Mike. Hey, how's it going, everyone? How's it going, guys? Kelly Kelfman in the house. What is going on? Debs K, what up? Profit Factor, new day. That's right, it's a new day. Well, I did not really get a chance to trade, or I would say get into a lot of trades this morning. Obviously, I had a lot of stuff going on a personal front. But I was kind of mad because none of the website that I was trying to get into, none of them was actually working properly using my phone. So I don't know. It almost kind of felt like I was the only one with that problem. What is up, Ellie in the house, man? Profit Factor, what up? Massimiliano Bluculi C. That sounds like an Italian. Bowser in the house. All right, guys, let's try to make some good trades today. I kind of come into the Globex Asia a little disappointed with, of course, the price action that we actually got today. It's still a very volatile day we got, right? So I don't know. Such a wild swings we had throughout the entire morning, guys, and then we pumped, and then we kind of slowly grinded to the downside with no momentum push. And so technically we are kind of still a bit negative, I guess, coming into today. So we'll see, guys. I'm still looking at the spot. We actually kissed a 650 area, which obviously comes in line with what we were kind of expecting in this market. So just so everybody's aware, I trade Globex Asia every day on a live stream, and also trade New York as well, about 2-3 times a week. Okay, usually about 11 o'clock in the morning. That's when I go live usually. So I try my level best to be like 2 minimum, but lately it's been a little challenging. But I mean, yeah, give or take, I think 2 days a week in the morning. Definitely live streaming, guys. What is up? Thank you guys for subscribing as well. Daniel Mosley, what up? Nice, brother. Thanks for being here. Thank you for being here today, guys. Expectation Globex Asia, not much. I'm not expecting some kind of a big move or big down, right? We got Nvidia earning coming out tomorrow morning, right, including the Fed minutes. So, and of course the big move today we got, we kind of kissed that 650 area, and that probably would be the short-term bottom. And now I guess the market's gonna kind of wait to see how what kind of Nvidia earnings that we are going to be getting tomorrow, guys. That's gonna be really a key earnings that's gonna kind of set a tone on how this market's gonna be, obviously through the rest of the week and rest of the month, really, for that matter. So we'll see how it goes, guys. Good luck, everybody. And by the way, I still could not request a payout on my top step, which is kind of really annoying. 1 second, guys. Oh, now I can request. Oh my god, see? Now I can request. Damn it. Alright, I can request a $2,700 of payout on my top step, so I ain't gonna be trading that account for now. We are not bottom yet. I mean, yeah, I mean, I wouldn't bet on both direction. A lot of things can change tomorrow morning, guys. Like, you know, yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna try and be biased long or short. So I'm just gonna stay neutral, moving into tomorrow morning, guys. So far the price action kind of tells me that we've got just, you know what, lower high, right? So still bearish in this overall market. We'll see how it goes right at the Globex open, but I'm kind of leaning more to the downside for now until tomorrow morning. We're gonna have to take one step at a time, guys. All right, I'm gonna request my top step payout, guys. Just 1 minute. Finally, I was able to do that. I didn't change anything. It's just that I think their update was pretty slow. That's it. Yeah. It's their update. So I didn't really have to trade any more days. It's just that they didn't have their thing updated. So 2720. So I'm requesting $2,700, guys. 1 second, everybody. I just requested a payout now. I'm gonna post that on our payout tab on our Discord, guys, right now. And then now I'm gonna be waiting for, I've got some more as well. So it's pretty interesting. I've already surpassed last month's payout, just so you guys are aware, right? So up until yesterday, I had $22,000 of payout in total, right? And then now we're sitting at what again? I'm just gonna do a little math here, guys. So right until yesterday, I was at 22,500, and now I've got 2720, which would be right. We requested a payout here. That's oh, sorry, it's 24 after I guess the split, 248, give or take. And then I've got about $4,500 of payout that I'm going to be requesting tomorrow, guys. As soon as the market closes, I'm going to be requesting a payout with funding ticks. Funding ticks a little over $4,000, give or take a little less than 5K, right? Across two accounts. That's $29,000, and that doesn't include any of my Apex payout that I'm gonna wait. Like, I do think I can request about $6,000 of Apex account. So guess what, guys? We are just shy of 30K, $5,000 above last month's payout, and we are pretty close to 30K now. And then we've got obviously Apex accounts that I haven't requested just yet. So, and then we've got another $3,000 of payout. That's over and above the $5,000 that I'm going to be requesting with funding ticks as well. So we got quite a few payouts coming in from funding ticks. So that's going to get pretty interesting, guys. But anyways, this is where I am right now. We've got Scalpster taking $1,500 from Buellanox as well. That's great. And we've got $2,600 from Justin right in the house again today. Really? No, that's last night. Okay, well, oh my god, that was last night, Justin, right? And but dub as well. I don't know how much that was. Anyways, guys, lots of payouts from everybody. Great to see y'all making lots and lots of good trades. I hope all of you had a great day so far. How did everybody do? JPM, what is up, man? Saibi 3644, is this live? Yes, it is live right here right now, guys. This is Globex Asia. We are live right now. Yeah, so I'm gonna be putting a little video, and I'm gonna post a little capture screen of all my payouts for November so far. So I'm very excited. Guys. I kind of feel like we could get to the 40K for the month of November alone. So we'll see, guys. I mean, it's been kind of like difficult, I'll be honest, in the last a week or two. It's not been easy, but obviously I kind of scrambled, but somehow we found a way to make some good trades and some big accounts with a lot of profits on it. So I think it's looking good for a big payout, guys, from the next few days. That's gonna probably get me pretty close to the 40K, and that's obviously way beyond my target, right? Because we were kind of expecting 35, and that was like overstretch, right? That was like what do you call stretch goal, if you will, 35K. But we are getting pretty close to that now. All right, guys, the market's open at 4 o'clock now, guys. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are trading. All right, so here we are, guys. We are popping up now. We are popping up now, guys. We are popping up. So I've got tick chart on the left hand side, and I've got 30 minutes chart on the right hand side. I'm gonna trade something else here. All right, guys. I'm gonna trade micro to start. I kind of feel like, you know, we get a little bit. Yeah. Let's just wait, guys. We got some level of resistance. We gotta kind of take a look, make sure. Right, we've got here 576. Let's see if we could peer through this, and then we're gonna have to take a look and see if we can also break it down from this 526. So we are kind of like in that 40 points range, and I want to see how this candle plays out. We're kind of right in the middle now, 550 area. So we got a range bound, right? A tight range bound. 575 to 522, that's 40 points range. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are trading. We could also kind of have a little bit of a payout party. So depending on how, we'll take a look in about an hour. I'll take a look and see how this funding ticks dashboard kind of updates tonight, and we may do another giveaway, guys. We'll see. Let's try to finish off the first one though very quickly if we can. Funding Futures Network giveaway, 50K account, guys. We'll call out the winner as soon as we get to the 180 likes, guys. If you haven't done so, please take a few seconds of your time to do that. If you guys want to support the stream, so you can also get the giveaways going. All right, Big Dub Trader, what up? All right, guys, we actually got a nice little breakout. Well, not yet. We're kind of like sitting in that level now. So see, guys, 578. If we can pierce through this 580, we could probably get back into the 612. Yeah, so I do kind of see a bounce back into 610. I like to see something like this. Hold and push. Right? This is what I would like to see. Let's see if we get it, guys. All right, we just pierced through that area now. 570s. All right, we got a little rejection there, pulling back now, back into the 570. All right, I'm just gonna have to stay a little patient, guys. I just want to see some directional move. I want to see how we kind of hold this area now. We just pierced through 585, now into the 588, guys. All right, so far, nice little bounce, right? We kind of bounced about, how much was that again? We kind of bounced about 60 points, guys. Holy man. Literally just missed the whole move to the upside. I wonder how this is going to play out now. Back into the 594. Looks like we are going to continue moving up. All right, guys. I'm going to look to go long on a pullback here now.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Pretty wild bounce. We are getting...
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys. I went long.
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
All right,
filled.
guys. I exited that trade. I'm going to try
Order
long
submitted.
again on a pullback here,
Order
guys.
submitted. Order submitted.
All right.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, guys. I'm going to look for a pullback here into the 580s before we try to get a rebound again. My stop here would be somewhere in that 550 zone. I'd like to see a little bit of a pullback down, guys, before we try to head up again, right? That's what I'm going to be looking for right now. Let's see if we get it, guys. Good luck, everybody, once again, if you guys are trading. And thank you guys for being here as well every day. Globex Asia, StockTiger goes live every day. 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And that's, of course, the Eastern Time. And then I go twice live during New York as well in the morning, doing the cash open. Would love to see you guys there as well. Just make sure, do not forget to hit that notification bell as well, to always get notified every time I go live. Thank you, guys.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys. So I went ahead and requested $2,700. So we're kind of sitting in that nice, beautiful $2,700 plus 2,700 plus 22 already. So that's 24. So literally a little less than $25,000. So we are currently sitting right at the same level as what I did last month, and we still have another halfway to go. I would say probably give or take about another 2 weeks, and I would suspect that we still have another like over $10,000 to kind of take it out across different firms. One of the bigger ones is going to be funding ticks this time. This time around, I kind of feel like I'm doing really well with the funding ticks, and that's where bulk of the payouts is going to actually come out, with no denials that you kind of have to worry about, right? So that's pretty good. So yeah, so that's another 10K expectation. So right now sitting at 25 plus another 10K. That's going to put me well over $35,000 for the month of November. And if you guys are pretty close to that number, kudos to you guys. You guys did definitely a fantastic job this month. And we are slowly seeing some Black Friday offers as well. So just make sure to take advantage of those offers that we are getting so far. Not the greatest offer, to be honest with you, but I mean, Apex came out with a pretty interesting offer right now with the $40 activation. That's pretty interesting. Belanox is 85. I personally don't like Belanox offer. I was kind of expecting them to do like 90, 92%, 93%. Because I'm not really interested in paying any more than $16 for their eval, right? I don't know. I'm just, maybe it's just me, but I've never ever paid anything beyond $16 on their evals in the past, so you know what I mean? So, oh, Mike Kin, man, you're hitting $70,000 this month? Nice, nice, nice. Good stuff. Oh, I have to update the Streamlab too. Hold on one second, guys.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys. The market is obviously kind of a little slow. I guess this market is kind of like waiting for Nvidia, I guess, tomorrow, right? I guess everybody's kind of waiting. Are we gonna kind of try to buy the rumor tonight and maybe sell the news tomorrow morning, right after the market close? It's gonna get a very interesting. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna get pretty interesting, guys. It may be. It kind of looks like it wants to. It wants to get a bounce into in front of the Nvidia earnings, and then one second, guys. I'm gonna try and long here. I don't know. One second, guys. I'm gonna try and long.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. I'm gonna try and long here. Let's see if we can get a little bounce back into the 650, 660. Final take profit in the 650 area.
Submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, I had a really
Order
long day
submitted.
today. Got a little tired. I'm gonna have to do a little sitting here for a second. One second, good. Oh. Oh. All right, guys. So we're right here now. We really gotta get a nice little break out of this zone now, right? That would be 592. If we can't do that, then I think we have a problem. But it almost kind of looks like, you know, we get another leg to the upside, right? We had the first leg, and now we're kind of consolidating in this wedge, right? And then we try to pierce back up again and create this another leg to the upside, and then maybe get a bounce. Sorry, get a pullback from there at 650 zone.
Order submitted.
All right, so here we are, guys. We got a rejection of that level. Let's see if we get a bounce now. Keep an eye on gold. Let's take a look at the gold and see what's going on there. I did not get a chance to take a look at the gold, by the way. It's in the last well, not last, I mean this morning, entire morning. I did not take a look at the gold at all. But look at this, guys. Wow, we're actually getting a nice little bounce in the gold. What do you guys think? Do you guys actually see this gold getting a bounce today? I don't know, man. I don't know. Just not a buyer just yet in gold. I don't know. I'm pretty sure you guys are trading gold, but I just I don't know. I find it very hard. I kind of feel like, you know, it's gonna chop in this range, and yeah, I don't know. It's just making me feel. It makes me kind of feel like, you know, we're gonna chop in this range. I think at some point we're gonna kind of break either to the upside or to the downside. We're gonna have to wait and see, but we'll keep an eye on gold. For now, I do not want to get into any kind of a trade with gold. It's in that chop land, right? Yeah, I know, Bobs. Leave the gold alone. Yeah, man. I lose in gold and I gain back in NQ, man. It's just one of those moments. Not very good with gold. All right, guys, we're getting a nice little pop here, guys. Let's see. Now I want to make sure we kind of hold this, right? I want to see this pierce through this 600, and then 600 actually ends up holding and create a higher low, and that's when I'm going to try to really aggressively step into this trade. Right, I'd like to see this bounce now and get over 600, guys. And get over 600 is what I want to see. I think, I don't know, man. I think gold is much more wild than NQ. I don't know. You know, we're looking at different angles, of course, but it's, I don't know. It's not a sustain. I don't know, man. You know, I'm not gonna be too negative about gold, by the way. I'm just not good at it, right? So I'm just not good at it. All right, guys, we get a nice little bounce, guys. I'm gonna add
Order
filled.
Order
All right,
Order
'cause I've got
filled.
20 contracts here, guys.
Order submitted. Order
I'm gonna look for a
submitted.
bounce back up again
Order
now, guys.
submitted. Order submitted.
Let's see if we can pierce
Order
through this
submitted.
now.
Order submitted.
I wanna see this
Order
thing pierce
canceled.
through this.
Order canceled.
I'm looking for another leg to the upside, guys. Don't tell me we are going to end up getting a pullback here. I like this another leg to the upside. This is what I said. We pierced out of this very important pivot here, 595, and we ended up holding the 595. Let's see if we can actually get that continuation here to the upside. All right, guys. Both gold and NQ trying to get a bounce, guys, early into this Globex Asia. Very, very interesting. Be safe, guys. Yeah, I just requested a payout, guys. $2,700 from what again? From Top Step, and I'm gonna be requesting another $5,000 from Funding Ticks, maybe tonight or tomorrow morning. I'll let you guys know. But I made a huge profit, guys. Huge profit on my Funding Ticks. I'm getting ready for biggest payout on Funding Ticks, so I'm very glad and grateful. That's finally, I kind of feel like something is clicking here really nicely with Funding Ticks, and yeah, I could not ask for any more. Really, really, really nice. You know, good 1 week of trading on Funding Ticks accounts, and I'm just really glad to see some real good trades and real good profits coming out with really good payouts as well in the next day or two. I can't wait, guys. I cannot wait. And now here, guys, we're kind of holding, but we just can't pierce through this, guys. I don't know, man. I don't know. Makes me feel a little itchy. Oh, we're still above all the EMAs, so just makes me feel a little uncomfortable. I'm gonna just try to scale out
Order
down
Order
into 15 contracts now, guys. 15 contracts.
Order
I don't know.
Order canceled.
All right, so here we are, guys. Let's see if we can actually get a nice little breakout. Thank you for subscribing to this channel, everybody, and thank you for smashing the like as well. And of course, thank you guys for being here every day with us. So wow, look at that, guys. 600 area, hard to crack above. Both gold and NQ trying to break down now. I don't know. Where did my RSI go? Where did my RSI go?
Order canceled.
I guess 1 second. I'm gonna have to move this little bad boy. I have no idea what happened. So we are getting that rejection there now. Bank down to the 596. I'll be surprised if we just pull back here into the 570s. I will be surprised, guys. But again, this market's obviously going to do what it wants to do, and we are in that very volatile day continuation, right? Nvidia earning coming out tomorrow, so I don't think there's going to be anybody trying to commit to their trades today. I think they would like to see how the Nvidia earning come out, and if we get above the 50-day moving average on a SPY tomorrow, right after Nvidia earnings come out, then I think we could see a nice, beautiful rally back up again, right? If Nvidia disappoints, then I guess it's time to say goodbye. Time to say goodbye. But if Nvidia comes with a lot of surprises, guys, man, we could see some real nice rally from this overall market, and of course the mega cap stock, and plus all the small mid cap size equities as well. So it could be a not just a relief rally. It could be a nice little squeeze back up again, right? But I don't know. I'm kind of 50-50 at this point. I just can't. I'm not as confident, put it that way. But this market has been giving us a lot of surprises, right, in the last couple of weeks. So I wouldn't be surprised if we get a big rally. And at the same time, I wouldn't be surprised if we get a big nasty pullback as well. So. All right, so here we are, guys. We are trying to get a bounce back up again. So nice looking trade here. All right, so I just need that one more push, a nice little push back into the 650, guys. That's really all I'm going to be looking for. Final take profit target into the 640s, guys.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I don't know. We are kind of struggling though. I don't know what the heck is going on right now. Yeah, I still kind of am leaning more into the 640 bounce, but it's having a little bit of a tough time to try to get a bounce. So I'm gonna try and scale down here, guys, as we speak.
Order canceled.
Down to 10 contracts.
Order.
Guys, I'm gonna be down to 6 contracts now. I'm like, what the heck, man?
Filled.
We are struggling to try to get above. So
Order canceled.
all right. So I'm gonna be down to 4 now.
Filled.
I'm gonna have to kind of wait and see what this market's gonna do. If we get a pullback here, and if we kind of hold this 595, I'm gonna try and add to my position and try to go long, and kind of like scale into my trades. What is up, man? Justin Rudd in the house. Tommy Tom, what up? All right, guys. Well, nice little slow grind to the upside. That's what we are kind of getting right now. So, Alfred Haywood, what is up, brother? How's your trades going? All right, guys. One moment. 630. My final take profit. Well, not final take profit. My next take profit is gonna be at 622 ish.
Order filled.
Order filled.
There we go. There we go. Nice little squeeze, guys. Another leg to the upside. This is what we were actually kind of looking for, and we've got it, guys. We've got what we need. That's good. Good stuff. Oh, what a BS pump. Oh, Gringo, you're looking for a pullback here. I'm sorry, man. Are you long or are you short? Solid trade here on the longs. Took it alongside you. Nice, Daniel Molsey. All right, guys. I'm gonna close this trade right here, guys. I'm gonna close my trade right now.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Filled. Order filled.
Yeah, my final take profit at the 640s, but I mean, give or take.
Order filled.
I ended there, $400. I'll take that. All right, guys, here we are. I'm gonna be trading another account. Yeah, a little tired. Yeah, I had a long day today, so yeah, a lot of work. We're kind of approaching that Black Friday now. We're kind of 1 week away from actual Black Friday. Starts on 28, so yeah, lots of stuff to take care of right now. Yeah, I haven't really been very active trading in the morning lately, but all right, so we are kind of trying to hold the 611 area. We'll see if we can actually get a nice little bounce. I don't know, this gold looks like, yeah, I don't know about gold, man. I have no idea. I do know that there's a decrease in the volume, so I guess, I don't know. We don't really have a lot of volume stepping in on gold, so I don't know what that means. Are we gonna get a pullback here? Is that what it is? How many funding TIX accounts can you have? So you can have up to $300,000 based off your account size. So total 300K, that's the max account, right? So if that is the case, and if you are trading the 50K accounts, then you can have 6 50K accounts. So up to 6 accounts, right? So 50,000 times 6 accounts get you to 300,000, right? So you can have 6 accounts on a 50K, and you can have up to 12 accounts if you are trading 25s. And keep in mind the 50,000 accounts, you have 2 types of accounts. One is the $5,000 payout cap, and one is the $1,000 payout cap. So the most you can have, you can take home on a given day is either 5K or 1K. Those 1Ks are obviously much cheaper. It's $68 right now.
Smooth like butter, like a criminal.
Well, not really. I mean, I never had any issues with funding ticks rules and stuff, honestly. Just as long as you're kind of like not getting into trade in and out in like every few seconds, I think you should be fine. Apex, yeah, I'm having trouble with Apex myself because I was kind of trying to look at yeah, I was trying to look at Apex if I can actually request a payout, but I didn't have access the entire day, so I don't know. And it looks like they're the only ones that's broken, so they've got a great website, right? The #1 website in the world, Apex Trader Funding. The greatest website ever. My website is probably better. Anyways, but that works though. That works. It works. As long as it works, it's fine. Windows 1998. May I ask where you are trading out of, StockTiger? You want to guess? Saibi. All right, guys. It's a slow, nice little grind to the upside that we are kind of getting from this. Just 1 second, guys. I may try to long on this gold.
Order submitted.
Guys, I went long gold. I'm long
submitted.
gold, guys.
Order filled.
Order
I went
filled.
long gold, guys, man. Now I'm in trouble now. StockTiger, of course. Now that StockTiger is long gold, guess what it's gonna do? It's gonna get a nicely beautiful pullback here.
Order submitted.
Oh my god. All right, guys, my stop here on the gold is gonna be in that 5. Oh, sorry, 1 second. Hold on. I'm not trading gold. Hold on, that's not gold. I'm not trading gold, by the way. Sorry, guys. I'm trading NQ. All right, guys, StockTiger better get his stuff together. I'm trading NQ, man. Sorry, guys. Good afternoon, Dan Amons. What is up, man? How did your day go, Dan? Aaron Mill, what up? All right, man. We better get a bounce. I'm not gonna be happy. Oh man, this better not pull back against me now, guys. NQ. I definitely got. Oh my god, look at that. Now we're gonna get pulled back. We're definitely overextended on NQ. I shouldn't have been in that trade. I was definitely looking for gold. It's weird. I thought I was looking at the gold chart. It's really weird. Man, this is now getting a pullback, guys. Oh my god. How much drawdown do I have on this bad boy now? I've got $1,700. Well, thank you so much. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm not gonna panic sell. Just gonna kind of wait and see. I'd like to add to my long position here, to be honest. Not that I'm already in. I would like to, but I don't know. I'm just a little nervous about a pullback here, back down to the 610. So, but that's a nasty entry, though. What was my average entry in that 627? Right, so right at the top. I bought right at the top, guys. It's not good. And the problem is, it does look like you want to get a little pullback down. So I don't know if this is gonna be a start of a bigger pullback here. We could. I'm gonna have to average down. If I kind of believe that we are gonna eventually get a bounce, then I'm gonna try and add to my position here and try to go long. Scale into my trade exactly what I'm trying to do. Okay, guys. I've added one more. Guys. Now, there's no point in having a stop there, because if we end up getting a pullback here, I've only got like $1,700, right? A pullback here back into the 590 would obviously blow my account, right? So I don't know, man. I'm mad that I was looking at the wrong chart. I thought I was looking at gold. I'll be honest. I thought I was looking at the gold. I don't know what happened. I was definitely not willing to trade NQ at that level that we were in. But anyways, it is what it is, though. It is what it is. You may be good, Bowser. Yeah, maybe. You know, it's like a still higher low, right? So we may get a nice little higher low pattern play here too. So I may get a little lucky. So we'll see how it goes, guys. I've got two mini contracts now in this trade. So I am going to try and pick one off the table pretty quickly if we get a bounce back into at least 625. And that's where the pivot is as well. So guys, I'm gonna have to stay a little patient. Definitely not feeling very comfortable, but nothing much you can do, right? 625. Let's try to take this off at 625, maybe. Yeah, maybe at least we get a bounce back into the 640s, maybe 640s. That's right up here, guys. 640s right up there. So we have a little chance, but we could also break it down. It almost kind of feels like something like this. It's higher low, and this is going to be a higher low. We could see this thing get a little bit of a deeper pullback down into the 600s before we start to get some kind of a bounce back up again, right? We'll see, guys, how it goes, man. Gold tank good. Oh, really? Gold tanked? Oh, by the way, I was trying to long gold. I was trying to go long gold. No, see, the gold getting a bounce, guys. I was trying to enter here at the 68 in gold. And that's where my entry was going to be. And I was trying to scalp this because every time it looks like it's dumping in gold, it gets a bounce. And that's when I get cooked, right? So... And of course, I was trying to trade the NGC. It's weird. I was looking at the gold chart. How did I even get to NQ trade, by the way? It's so freaking weird. Anyways, not complaining. It is what it is. That's weird, though. Holy mochaccino. There we go. Gringo. Diablo in the house, man. Perfect timing. That's exactly what I needed right now. Yeah, I think it would have been better if I went long gold quickly on that 67 pullback and maybe a bounce back into 69, 70. That would have been a nice little $150 to $200. But anyways, I'm down about $400 now in this trade. We are slowly trying to grind underneath all the EMAs, which is not good at all. So here we are, guys. The next level of EMA and support would be in that 590 zone. So we could end up getting a pullback all the way back down into the 590s. Damn it, guys, man. I'm in trouble now. I'm in trouble. StockTiger in trouble. Oh my. I'm gonna survive this battle here. I don't know. It's we really have to get above the 625 to feel a little more bullish, but just never know. From a longer time frame, though, the 30 minutes and the 15 minutes chart looks a little more bullish. Some more room to the upside, but maybe a short-term pullback down into the 590s. But I don't think this account's gonna survive, though, all the way back into the 590s. So we honestly, we have to hold this area now, which would be 610, or at least maybe a pull back into 600 and get a bounce from that 600 area. If not, then yeah, I'm gonna be in trouble, man. Oh well. Oh really? Bowser, really? Yeah, see, I was stream, you were looking to go long gold, and I was looking at the gold chart, and then I switched to NQ. What the heck was that? I have no idea. And that's weird, right? So I was looking at the gold chart, and then I flipped the tab to the NQ. That's weird. I don't even know how I did that. All right, guys, man, I'm down $1,000, man. What a messed up trade. Oh my god. I don't even know, guys. I'm gonna have to stay a little patient, try to think about how I'm gonna exit this. Oh my god, man, look at that. What the heck was that now? Alright, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade right here, guys. I don't like this. Hold on 1 minute, 1 minute. Let's see if we can hold this. Yeah, I'm gonna end up blowing this account now. Oh my freaking god, man. I can't believe this, guys. It looks stumpy, right?
Order
filled.
Oh my god, what are you doing, StockTiger? Ah! Oh my my god! I have no idea what I did, man. Globex ASIA, thank you so much. The worst freaking session to be trading in, to be honest, man. Holy. Oh.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm a little annoyed, if you will. A little annoyed. Nothing was right about this. Nothing very intentional to, I don't know. Just the fact that, I don't know, man. No idea. Anyways, guys, we'll try to see if we can actually call back up again. I'm just I don't know, hard to explain how I kind of feel right now. Anyways, we'll try to see if we can actually make something out of this now. Yeah, I'm making a lot of mistakes like that. You know, first of all, I make mistakes of getting into NQ trade instead of MNQ. And then, you know, it's like getting into a wrong account. I don't know, man. I'm making too many mistakes like that now, which is extremely incredible. StockTiger. All right, so it looks like we're trying to get a bounce back up, right? Not deep of a pullback. Like, it had to freaking do that right, and as when, even though if it's a mistake, right when I had to get into a trade, right? Like, I went in 620 by mistake, of course, trading NQ, and then it really had to dip all the way back down right as when I got into my trade. Perfect, StockTiger. You're like an absolute monster trader. Oh my god. We are trying to get a bounce back up again. I wonder if I want to try to go long here. I don't know, man. I'm a little concerned of you know, like sudden pullback here, right? We may actually end up getting a little bit of a pullback here as well too. I'm really annoyed, man. This last trade was just a BS, total BS, man. I'm really annoyed. Yeah, it's really thin too. So that's the thing, right? It looks bullish, but then all of a sudden it could also be very bearish too. I'm definitely very annoyed for sure with that sort of a trade I got into that earlier one. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, man. Very annoying. I can't believe I did that. Looks bouncy for now. I'm gonna have to kind of wait and see. God, man. Very annoying. Oh my god, man. Look at this freaking gold. Wow, StockTiger. You know, every time you get into that kind of a messed up trades like that, you kind of have a bad day after that. So I'm gonna have to kind of try to scale down here. All right, I'm not. Yeah, I think it's gonna be hard to kind of try to chase this as well. So.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I went short here for looking for a quick scalp here down. Let's see if we get it, guys. Bank down to 590s. Let's see if we get it. And we could also just literally just get a bounce as well. So we'll see. It's very choppy, right? It's very, very choppy here right now. Man, I wonder what it's gonna look like. Oh well, it looks bouncy. Kind of feel like we're getting a little ejection there. We may pierce through this as well right now. Is that what it is? All right, guys, I'm trying to be patient, right, on this. I'm looking for a target into 590 zone. I don't know if I'm gonna get it though. I'm pissed at the last trade. Yeah, I am. Yeah, for sure. I hope this account's not gonna get cooked because of that last trade. That's really the last thing I would like to see myself get into. So we'll see.
Order submitted.
Uh, 595. My 595. Oh, there we go, guys. 595 is where my first take profit there.
Order filled.
Order
I
filled.
took one off the table, guys. One off the table. I'm gonna place my hard stop here, right at the
submitted.
break even, guys. Where's my break even? I can't even see the chart. Oh my god, guys, I can't even see the chart, man. Oh, there you go, guys. Yeah, I can see that now. All right, my stop at the break even here. All right, guys. I am short. I took one off the table pretty quickly, and I've got this last piece. I'm gonna hold it till we pull it back down. Oh my god, look at that bounce. Wow, what a wonky price action we are getting right here, guys. Be careful, you guys are trading here today. It's an incredible chop walk. Whoa, bae. I've got my hard stop here at the break even, so That 599 area. Where's that 599? Yeah, it's right there. I don't know. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade right
Order
here.
filled.
At least let me try to take whatever I can. Tiger, you look for a small run but big size, or big run with small? I mean, HR, QT, it depends. But I like to do both. I'll be honest. Yeah. I do both. You know, sometimes if I have a lot more conviction of my trade, I would really try to go very aggressive in my trade and look for that quick 20 to 30 points. You know, usually, you know what I like to do though is when I'm on a heavy size, I like to take the first take profit very quickly, right when I'm green. That's the first take profit. So say about 20% of my profit, take it off right when I'm in the green. And then the second would be the initial high, right? The bulk of the profits at the initial high. And then the rest of the profit, that would say about 25 to 30% of the contract. Take it off, you know, try to hold it as a runner. You know what I mean? That's usually what I try to do. Getting into some trades. Usually, even if it's, even like you guys know I'm a micro scalper too sometimes, but a lot of cases, even if I'm scalping, I like to do that on a smaller time frame too. So yeah, it kind of works out pretty nicely in a lot of cases. Yeah, like today on my funding ticks, I made a little over $3,000 of profit. Getting into a lot of trades in and out, but I also held quite a lot of contracts as a runner, right? Looking for that extended move, either to the upside or to the downside. Like even right now, this trading, this last piece, you know, the last trade I made, I took my profit quickly when I was in the green, and I was looking for that runner, but then I took it off very quickly because I did not feel like I'm gonna get a runner. So I ended up taking my little profit, whatever I can take, and just walk away. Especially when I'm down quite a lot in this trade. Man, I can't believe I was actually down about $1,300 on that big dump. Like, is it a coincidence? StockTiger really had to get into that trade, obviously by an error, but does it have to be a perfect timing? You know what I mean? Like, why does it have to be here? You know, like StockTiger getting into a trade, even if it's by a mistake. Like, why does it have to be here? It could have been here. You know what I mean? It could have been here. It could have been here. It could have been here. You know what I mean? Like, why does it have to be here? Like, why? And it wasn't even intentional too. So why does it have to happen here and get smoked and be down $1,300? Was it a coincidence? You know what I mean? That's what frustrates me sometimes. Even if it's not a real, I mean, there was no intentions, of course. I wasn't trying to get into a trade to begin with, but and that's what annoys you, right? Every time that actually ends up happening. Anyways, guys, let's see if we can actually get a nice little bull flag here. Maybe we try to pierce through this. We'll see, guys. I'm gonna have to wait a little patient. Very annoying. Let's try to see what's going on with the gold. Yeah, gold is, again, lots of wicks, man. The gold, I think, you know what? I kind of realized gold is a lot of wicks, right? It's a lot of wicks. I'm on a 50-minute chart, and really, is there a moment where there's no wicks? Unless we have a nice, beautiful, clean move to the downside or to the upside with a big push. Majority of the times are like, you know, wicks. A lot of big wicks. Until this candle actually end up closing. So I learned something. And for micro scalper and for a scalper like myself, I think it's very important to see those candles, right? And take a look at how big of a the wick is, the range on that wick, up and down. About 15 to 20 points range on that single candle. So anyways, that would have been a nice little trade if I actually got into that gold, by the way, but I'm not in that trade anymore, unfortunately. Instead, I got smoked thanks to gold. I saw NQ today on an account that really mattered. Oh my god, I'm so mad at myself, guys, man. I'm sorry, guys, for sharing a bit of my frustration here coming into today, but I'm so annoyed. I feel like throwing something against the wall, but you know, sometimes I like to do that. It really makes me feel better by doing that. I don't know if you guys do that though. Does anybody here like you know, like smack the monitor? Let's say, for example, like if you get into some silly trade, or if it's a mistake, or if it's a glitch, or if there's something that you're not intentional and you end up losing in that trade, what's your reaction? Like, what's your reaction, guys? I want to know how. Like, is it me? Is it just me, like, getting frustrated and like throwing stuff around like, sometimes, or is it you guys as well? I don't know. I kind of feel like, you know, it's just me. Maybe it almost kind of feels like you guys are like really calm, and I'm the only one yelling and throwing stuff around the house. Hey, Five, man, what is going on, Five? A long time no see. What the heck were you, man? What the hell were you, Five? The #1 Bulanox trader, Five. Oh, actually, no. Five recently got into the Aqua futures. I wonder how that is going. But I missed you, man. Five, I really missed you, bro. I hope you're doing well. Is everything okay? But Watson, you smash your mouse. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, smashing mouse, it's okay. It's not as bad, right? It's not as bad. Let's take a look and see everybody else. Guys, don't forget, we gotta guys, I'm trying to do 2 giveaways today, but we're gonna have to wait and see. The first giveaway, we will call out the winner right at the 180 likes, guys. If you guys have not smashed a like, please do so right now. Take a few seconds of your time to do that. Thanks for your support, and we will do our first giveaway as we get closer to 180 likes. And then also I made another one, and another one is in celebration of our new payouts that's incoming. I've already requested a payout with $2,700 on Top Step, and I'm going to be requesting another one with funding ticks, and the funding ticks is going to be larger. It's going to be about 5k. And then Top Step, we had $2,700. That puts us a little over $30,000 for the month of November so far. Okay, so that's like $5,000 more than last month, and on top of that, we still have another 12 days to go for the month to be over, and I kind of feel like we got some more juice for more payouts. So we'll see how that goes. But guys, we may do the second giveaway. Guys, do not forget to smack the like, guys. Let's try to make it happen. I wanted to do 2 giveaway today. That's gonna make me feel good. Again, it's all about giving back to the community, guys. It's nothing any more than that. You can throw money around my way. Yeah, right, man. No, you have anger problems. You yell? Oh, you yell, Bowser? I yell too. You know, but you know, when I yell, I feel way better, right? When I yell, I feel way better. Yeah, for sure. When I yell and when I throw, well, I don't like to throw stuff around, to be honest with you. I think probably the most I would do is kind of like, you know, maybe smack the mouse against the monitor, or throw the chair around, or just throw the phone, maybe something like that, or just throw away whatever is in front of me. But it doesn't happen quite often. But I mean, when I get really wild, that's what I do. Not the greatest thing for sure, but it's almost kind of seems like nobody does anything like that here, which is great. What was that again? Somebody said $16,000. I don't know what it is. You cuss over flag trading. You cuss too much. Wife said I could not longer throw the dishes on the kid. Yeah, I don't. Curse is maybe a little less. I like action more than words. It just makes me feel better sometimes. Do you only trade the micros? No, man. Noah Swartz. I trade NQ, micro. You name it, brother. You name it. I trade everything. It doesn't have to be micro. It doesn't have to be NQ. It really depends, right? If I really want to downsize and if I kind of feel like I'm doing the right thing, I'll adjust my position sizing. Just tuning in, Chris. What is up, man? Thanks for being here this afternoon, late at night. Requesting $3,000 payout from Top Step. Nice, K-Do, man. Great stuff. Really nice, guys. You've broken 3 monitors. Oh, NQ Scalpster. My monitors are a little expensive, so I don't want to break that. $130 monitors, really expensive. Dan Heyman's real accounts, real emotions, real results, stronger every day. All right, guys, we are getting a little bounce back up again. I wonder if we have what it takes now to kind of hold this. Oh my God, man. Right, I'm just gonna have to wait and see if we can actually pierce through this, or we just flush it down, back down into, I don't know, maybe try to fill the gap, maybe to the downside too. We could certainly do that. Justin, right in the house, man. What is up, man? How many more accounts of trading for today? Jill, really depends. For now, I've got my goal for now, obviously this being down on this account comes as a little surprise to me, but my goal right now is to kind of survive in this battle right now, and that's really my goal. All right, guys, we are getting rejection off that 600 area, and we got a nice little pullback down to the 570s. Oh my God, man, look at that, guys.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
All right,
filled.
guys, I went long here, guys, with 9 contracts. Let's see, get a nice little bounce back up again. What am I trading? Why is my oh, there we go, guys. I can see that now. Oh my God.
Order submitted.
Oh my
Order
God.
canceled.
Very annoying. It looks like it wants to dump now. I'm trying to stay a little patient. I couldn't see my chart, man. I didn't see my trade getting in, so I thought I wasn't in my trade. But now we are. I've got 9 contracts. I got a little confused with the chart on the left hand side, but anyways, guys. I'm getting a lot of confused. Hold on one second, guys. We are trying to get a little bounce. Let's see if we can actually hold this now. Guys, try to.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. I'm down to 3 now.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
Order
filled.
All right,
filled.
guys. I exited that trade. I'm gonna look for a little more deeper pullback down before I can hop on a long again. Joey, you need a FOMO to go. Don't pick bottoms. That's right. All right, guys. Behave and good luck. 5. Tokyo selling anyone. Log in Apex. I'm close to blowing my first funded account. What do you think I should do? Maybe probably just wait for Nvidia earning. Maybe YOLO there. Place your entry limit order and TP at the same time. I think that's probably a wise thing to do, depending on how much drawdown you have remaining now. But I would say that would probably be a better idea. That's what everybody tells me, but I never really do. But I have probably a good way to kind of try to you know, keep your account alive, I think. Yeah. All right, guys, we are pulling back here, right? This is not a good looking card, by the way. All right, so we are lower high now. So I'm gonna look for a little bit of a bounce, and then maybe try to push back down again, try to short this bad boy, and try to see if we can pull back into the 540s. Oh my god, man, look at this mochaccino. All right, guys, I'm gonna look for a little bounce back up, and so I can actually hop on a short here, guys. We'll see. All right, guys, let me try to scale in by one scale in. Yeah. See, I mean, the reason why I cannot scale, well, I cannot get into a little more aggressively is because maybe we may try to get a little bit of dead cat bounce. I'm looking for the dead cat bounce back into the 560, and I'm gonna try and short this a little more aggressively there. It looks yeah, it looks pretty bearish, right? So I'm gonna be man, look at this nasty pullback here, guys. Man, we had a wow, incredible, guys. We had 100 points bounce. Is that what it is? We had 100 points bounce, and now we're getting literally 100 points pullback. This Globex Asia is no longer the Asia that we know, guys. Man, we gotta be really careful in how we trade. Any little mistake, it's really not forgiving. So I've got one micro to kind of test the water. I'm gonna really try to see if I can keep this account alive, and we're gonna do it right here, right now, guys. Yeah, I'm definitely annoyed, but nothing much I can do, right? Nothing much I can do, guys. Nothing much. All right, so let's see. I'm looking for another bear flag here, kind of forming, right? All right, guys. Oh, man. I'm so tempted to short this a little more aggressively, but I'm let's try to short this bad boy aggressively now. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want this thing to just pop all of a sudden now back into the 570. You know what I mean? That's my little problem that I have.
Order filled.
Look, I really have to be careful, right? I really want to get into some good trade now and try to see if I can actually make some $700-800 of profit, so I could get pretty close to break even. But in order to do that, I've got to really find a great spot to enter, right? Great spot to enter. And by the way, guys, thank you guys for being here today. As always, love you guys. It's my honor. Joey Crypto, you dig the fact that you are scalping. Yeah. Captain Price, what is going on, brother? Coma. Fair True. Carento. Methodical Boy. Vortex. Justin right in the house. Best econ economy. I don't know. All right, guys. Looks like another bear flag here. I think I'm gonna go aggressive, guys.
Order filled.
Oh my god, what a perfect timing there, guys. Let's see if we can actually get a little bit of a bit deeper pullback here now. Don't tell me you're gonna get a bounce right here, guys. I do not want to see that.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
I need a flashy, slashy down.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Come on, man. I need to see another leg. I know you want to pull back here. Oh my god.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Come on, man.
Order
Order
This market
filled.
is just not giving it to me, huh? That's what he wants to do, guys. I'm gonna. Ugh. Ugh. All right, guys,
Order.
exit that
Order
trade.
filled.
Oh my god. Oh my god, that was definitely a tough one. That would have been nice. I mean, I think if we were trading the New York, there would have been a nice little black bear flag, and we could have at least got 60 points pullback there. But we are also kind of like at the low here, guys. Just keep in mind, we got a nice little support area, and that's what I was a little concerned. I was like, you know what? Do we really have what it takes? You know what I mean? A major level of support right here. So I was kind of like, okay, well, if I want to be, I'm gonna have to really take my profit quickly, or else I'm gonna be in trouble, right? This looks like it wants to dump here, guys, man. It does look like it wants to dump. Or is it gonna be like up, down, and up again? You guys know, I mean, we've been getting that all day, right? Look yesterday, guys. Up, down, up, right? Up, down, up, down. How many times we actually went up and down on the 100 points range? Right, so we could. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we get a bounce here. And that's why I'm a little careful in my trades right now. Right, because it looks like it's dumpy, and then all of a sudden you get a bounce, and I'm out. And that's why I'm really being careful, guys. That's why I'm really being careful. I'm waiting a little patiently, man. It's been a while since I've been a little patient like this, but. All right, we are getting a nice little pump here, guys. Back up again. Incredible market, guys, man. This really does not feel like Globex Asia, by the way, guys, man. I've got to make some adjustments here. Maybe got to have a rename instead of going to Globex Asia. Maybe we'll say a mini New York session. Mini New York session, guys. All right, guys, we are pulling back here again. We got a rejection off that 567. I don't know, man. Oh my god. Let's take a look and see on a 50-minute chart, looking pretty bearish, but let me just get rid of this. What do you call this again? Get rid of the fill. Oh. Sorry, guys. Looks like it wants to get a bounce. Worldwide session. I like mini New York better. Yeah, like, well, I don't know, Asia town. Maybe Chinatown in New York. It's big enough, I think. All right, guys, this is going to be a pullback here, man. Hold on, guys. I'm trying to be patient. God, man. Trying to be really patient here, guys. I'm really trying to be patient, guys. I really need that one good trade. That's going to take it up back again. Or maybe I shouldn't be trading this account. Maybe keep this account alive. I've got $1,000 to draw that now back again, so maybe a few $100, and then I'll probably walk away on this account and not trade this bad boy anymore. Yeah, I still think the lower high is kind of intact here. We'll probably end up getting a deep pullback here down and try to retest the 500 area, guys. Man, look at this nasty pullback. I don't know. Maybe everybody's kind of selling off, going, okay, well, I don't really care how Nvidia is gonna come out. It doesn't really matter. The market movers are gonna sell this bad boy all the way down. All right, guys, we got a new candle now on a 1-hour chart, on a 50-minute chart, sorry. And then it's not looking good. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. The candles are the only thing that matters. Well, combination of a lot of different indicators, right? And that's the beautiful thing. It's like orchestra, right? I like to call the trading futures like an orchestra. Everything has to come together, right, to increase that probability, a chance for you to win that trade. Yeah, I mean, I would have gone into a trade, but I'm just trying to be a little patient, just a little more, right? Just a little more, guys. Yeah, I mean, that's true too. Okay, so guys, we are getting that little bit of a bounce back. I wonder if we are gonna get a bounce. Okay, I'm gonna try and go long here, guys.
Order filled.
I've got 4 contracts here now. Let's see. I would like to see this candle get a bounce back into the 560s. I've got 4 contracts, so I'm gonna scale into my trade. I'm gonna scale into my trade here. All right, there we go, guys. We are getting a pullback here. Let's see if we can actually hold this now. It's a pretty nasty pullback here, by the way.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh my god, guys, look at that pullback. Oh, this is what I was actually looking for, right? You guys know. We are, man, look at this, guys. We just broke underneath that very important 525 now.
Order filled.
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 Oh. Do you guys think we see a bounce here? Or maybe not. 509. May get another flush down before we try to get a bounce back up again, I guess. I don't know. It looks like it wants to sell off. Maybe get a double bottom here, or I don't know. Maybe flush it down, take everybody out, and then we get a bounce, I guess. But looks like I'm down quite a lot here. Oh my god.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order. Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Come on, just get it up there, man. You know you want to get back into the 550. I knew it. You silly NQ.
Order submitted.
I knew you were trying to trick me there. Just 1 second, guys. We try to get a squeeze back up again. Come on, man. One more juice, man. One more juice is what I need. Let's go, man. I've only got 5 contracts here. Let's get it back into the 550s, guys, man. Let's do it. Come on. You know you want to do it right now. Please. I exit that trade. Oh, my
Order
God.
filled.
Woo! Oh! Oh! Oh my God, guys. What a rough trade, man. I did not really take anything on that trade. Well, a little, maybe $200. I think that's what I took. But again, yeah. Jeez, man. I mean, I don't know, man. I was looking for that short trade, and instead I went long, but obviously I went long a little too late. And now we're trying to get a bounce. We are getting a little bit of a bullish hammer here. So maybe we get a little bounce, or do we get a pullback here? Let's just move back to the 30-minute chart here for a moment. But 30 minutes still looking bearish. We are trying to get hit in that resistance now at 538. If we can pierce through this level now, then I think we have a chance of a stronger bounce back into, I think it's 560s, right? Yeah, man. Be careful, man. There's 20, how many contracts? 25 micros? That's gonna be tough, man. 25 micros will not survive. Guys, man, this market right now, it's trading just like the way you trade New York. The moves that we are getting today and yesterday, and quite honestly for the last few days, or maybe for the entire week, I guess, it's not Asia. You know what I mean? So you guys know I'm obviously extremely a lot more aggressive coming into Globex Asia all the time, but I'm really trying to adjust myself. I'm trying to downsize, and if I really have to scale into my trades, I do not want to be in like 30-40 micros, man. Even if I'm kind of like full porting, probably at most like 15-20 maybe. I don't know. It's tough. Guys, by the way, don't forget to smack the like, guys. I'm just gonna have to use my washroom here for a second, guys, man. Oh, what a scramble, guys. What a scramble. Yeah, this is like a lot of scramble here right now. One second, I'll be right back. 1 minute. So we kind of held, right? We kind of held. I want to long this bad boy now, man. I really do. Right.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try and long here, guys. And my stop here would be at the 520 area.
Order
520
submitted.
area is where my stop's
Order
gonna be.
submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
I'm
submitted.
gonna try and scale into
Order
this trade
submitted.
as well on a pullback here. Let's see if we
Order
get a little
filled.
pullback down.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
Order filled.
Order canceled.
Oh my god, are we going to pull back here
Order
down
canceled.
all the way back into the 520s? I will be surprised if we do that now.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, guys, I'm gonna have to place a hard stop so I don't have to hold a bag. I don't think today is the kind of a day that you want to hold a nasty looking bag, right? So if we end up getting a flush down, then I'm gonna have to exit this trade, you know, unfortunately.
Order submitted.
And if we get a bounce, that's great. If not, then I'm out.
Order submitted.
Try to scale in a little more.
Order filled.
Order filled.
That's a little bit of a deeper pullback, guys, man.
Order filled.
Order
Oh
filled.
my god, are we gonna?
Order
Not
Jeez.
filled.
We just pierced through that, guys. I'm gonna exit this trade.
Order
Oh my
filled.
god,
Order
man.
filled.
Oh my god.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Oh shit! One second,
Order.
guys.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
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 Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Should I only have $500 drawdown on this
Order
scale?
filled.
Oh, God, man. Damn, guys. I'm very annoyed. All right, guys. I'm gonna try and short on a bounce here, guys. It looks like bouncy, but I'm gonna try and be aggressive over here right now. Back into the 550 zone. I'm gonna full port at the 550 here, guys. Ah, man, it doesn't look like it wants to. I don't know. Definitely did end up making a lot of mistake on this account, so maybe, you know what I'm gonna try and do? I'm gonna try and get this account to over, I would say, respectful, over $50,000 if I can on this. Let's try to see if I can do that, guys. Let's try to just get back into the 50k, maybe 50k, 500, maybe in that zone, and then I'll try to walk away and try to not trade this account anymore. Maybe I should have done that a little bit earlier when I was down only about $800. But yeah.
Order submitted.
I've only got $400 now, so too bad, man. Now it looks like we're gonna get a bounce back up again. Unfortunately, effed up market, guys, today. Incredible. Biggest F. Oh my god. Yeah, I mean, really annoying right now, to be honest. Well, I guess nothing much you can do. It all really started with the small little error. Obviously, ended up becoming a much bigger problem to kind of try to fix. Well, all right, so we obviously ended up getting a little pullback. That obviously ended up getting a bounce, and we are trying to hold this level, guys, man. It almost kind of feels like, you know, we are trying to find that bottoming process, right? Maybe a little bit of a footing here, the bottom footing. We'll see, guys. But Globex ASIA, it's always been too many fakes. So as much as it looks like we were trying to get a bounce back up again, we could literally see this thing flush all the way back down and retest the 497 area. So we'll see, guys, how it goes. I've got 4 contracts now. We'll see. I think 4 contracts, if we can actually get a pullback down to the 497, I could be maybe up, I don't know, maybe $500 if we can actually get a pullback here, though. But we are kind of holding, and that's the problem. Yeah, a little pissed at this initial, obviously, the trade that I was trying to get into. And that's, I guess that's where it really started off. Kind of like, well, it is what it is. On a perfect world, stuff like that wouldn't have happened, but God, now it's really choppy. Choppy, chop, 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 and then all of a sudden you get a nice, beautiful squeeze back up again. Anything is possible now. I'm gonna exit this limit orders, man. Yeah, I'm just gonna use 4. Maybe I could use a little more, I guess. I don't know. I just need a little more pullback here in order to have that little bit of a conviction. Yeah.
Order filled.
Order
I
filled.
went long. Sorry, not long. I went short here. 6 now. 6 micros. I think probably the most I can do. Don't think I can get into any more than that. Fuck me. Yeah, I'll try to stick to 6, and then if we try to pierce through 564, I will exit my trade. I think as soon as we try to get back into 560s, I think we could see that higher low kind of form, and then maybe the short-term bottom maybe is already in. So, but at least I want to be in this trade. I want to survive. So I've only got $500 drawdown. So by loading in contracts right now at this point, it's not gonna survive. You know, I want to give myself a little more room. So I've got 6 micros now, guys. 6 micros. I'm looking for a target back down to 498. Let's see if you get it, guys. Maybe this could be setting up for another leg to the downside, right? We had a nice little punch in the face pull back here right at the top, and we are kind of like creating that a small little ascending wedge pattern. I almost kind of feel like we are ready for another leg to the downside. We'll see, guys, if we get it. Well, I can't even draw here now.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, guys, I'm gonna look for that pullback here. Let's see if you get it, guys. I will place my hard stop here,
Order
though.
submitted.
I think
Order
there.
submitted.
It really kind of makes sense to
Order
have my hard stop there.
Order submitted.
All right, so one of the two, guys. Let's see. If I can get above, I'm actually above 50,000 right now, so that's good, and that's on a good note. Oh yeah, this is gonna be my last trade on this account. So either we break underneath the 521 and give us that extended move to the downside, or we get a bounce and stop me out. One of the two. Yeah, I think it's right in the no man's land now. The Bulls and the Bears are kind of like battling out. It's got to decide what it wants to do now pretty soon. So we could pierce through and try to get back up again too. Yeah, for sure. Absolutely, I agree. But I'm leaning more to the downside for now. I've got 5 contracts on this trade, so it's not a lot. Five micros, obviously, not crazy a lot. So I'm down 15, so I need to pull back here back into 497, man. I'd like to see a retest of this level if we can. We'll see. What a pressure. Absolutely. Well, obviously I'm kind of pissed, but I mean, at the end of the day, it's you. There's no one to blame other than yourself, right? So. Yeah, I'm keeping an eye on this price action here at 538. Either we pop or we get a flush down. It looks like we are kind of holding, I'll be honest, but never know. We're trying to break out of this pivot here, and obviously you have an EMA support too in this 542 area. Let's see if we pierce through this level now. We are actually piercing through. 1 second, guys. All right, guys, I exit this trade.
Order
I'm out.
filled.
Order filled.
Oh, fucking god. Incredible. God, man. Very annoying. Yeah, a bit of a mental breakdown. Yeah, just I don't know. Yeah, I mean, we got to pull back all the way down to 495, and we are back up to 569, guys. That's like literally 70 points bounce. $70 points bounce, guys. 70 points.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Just 1 second, I'll be right back. A few minutes, guys.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Sorry guys, I'm back. Oh. Your account's going.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
I guess I went long. Average, I think 556. I think that's my average. I'm not really looking for that crazy move to the upside. Just a little scalp, a bounce back at least into the initial high, 571.
Order submitted.
Yeah, it's
Order submitted.
not an
filled.
easy,
Order
not an
filled.
easy, not an easy price action overall, I think. And even though, long story short, I think the bottom line of the story is it's not an easy market to trade in. And on top of that, I made a lot of mistakes. So and that's what you get. You know, nothing much you can do, right? That's nothing much you can do. You're gonna, you know, there's no point in trying to talk about why we ended up blowing an account, right? It's just part of the process. Well, let's try to see if I can actually
Order
make some good
filled.
trades on this account now, and look to see if we can actually bank, guys.
Order canceled. Order
Good luck if you
canceled.
guys are trading. Yeah, I mean, I'm not, I mean, obviously it kind of sucks. I'm a human, right? When you lose accounts, it doesn't feel good for sure. I mean, I lose accounts all the time. But I mean, every time I lose an account, when I do really well and I lose account, that's fine. But today was a little frustrating overall. Yeah, I mean, you guys were there right from the start, so you guys know why. But you know, it's I'll get over with it, right? I kind of forgot now that I've got destroyed on the last trade. It's fine. It's fine. The market got me, and it's time for StockTiger to get it back, right? It's time for StockTiger to get it back, guys. Don't forget to smack the like, guys, because we're having a lot of fun here tonight. And thank you guys once again for being here, always, every day. Every day with StockTiger, guys. Over 400 viewers every day. Right? It's okay. Now I forgot. Now I forgot, guys. I've got a really short memory, and that's the great thing about that's the greatest thing. Oh, 1 second, guys, 1 second. The only thing is, it's hard to trade, man. It's hard to trade. I mean, I think we've got that volatility in this trade, right? We've got the volatility. We've got what we want, right? We've got what we want, guys. Every single move that we have, it's like the smallest move that we are getting here, it's like 40 points. So we've got the volatility here, right? It's just that I don't know, man. I don't know what it is, but I'm finding it difficult to kind of find a better entry and understanding the trend, right? Just like what I think it's Justin Wright just said, it's tricky market. I think that's what we're getting right now. It's very, very tricky as we speak. And I'm finding it difficult to kind of gauge where this is gonna go. You know what I mean? Even though, if you just take a look from a 30-minute standpoint, let's just take a look at the 30 minutes here, guys, for a moment on the right-hand side. But I said, okay, well, you know what, right here at 558, I almost kind of feel like we've got some more juice to the upside, right? Into the 588. We did not get a bounce off that 497 for no reason. Somebody's buying at that level, right? If there was no buying pressure stepping in at a 497, if we actually ended up cracking underneath that, that would have been a very nasty bearish sentiment overall, and we could have seen that follow through down into the 370s, right? But there was an aggressive buying pressure step in at 497, and we actually ended up getting a nice strong bounce. And then I was like, you know what? If this is the case, I'm looking at the next level of resistance is obviously what you've got to always look at. And it really kind of fall in line here very nicely. We got a nice, beautiful EMA here at the 588 and a nice, beautiful resistance zone. And that's a major level too at 588. And I thought, you know, we got to bounce at least into that. That's like 40 points away from where we are. And that was the thesis behind me entering in that trade in the last one. And then, of course, as soon as I entered, we ended up getting a big, nasty pullback here back into the 530. And that account just obviously ended up getting evaporated, right? Disappear like a steam. Boop, it's gone. So now I'm trying to gauge where this is going to go now. We are right at that pivotal point here as well at 554. I'm still leaning more to the upside. We'll see, guys. As much as I love to see this thing get a bounce, this market is kind of tricky, so I don't know. I'm a bit annoyed, but it is what it is. And that's what you are going to get sometimes, unfortunately. Yeah, but it's definitely annoying. Yeah. It was definitely annoying, but it's okay. You know, it's okay. Yeah. I'm annoyed. Yeah, of course I'm annoyed. What are you guys talking about? I'm freaking annoyed. Do we have anything that I can throw against the wall now? Oh well. All right, I think we're. I think it's time for a giveaway, guys. By the way, I'm gonna close the entries here now. Don't tell me to reopen, guys. Don't tell me to reopen. By the way. Don't even start. I think you guys are doing that purposely to kind of make me go full port again. What's up with Apex? I have no idea. What is up with Apex? Are they making you mad? Is their website still down? Oh my god. Yeah, I don't have that anymore. It sucks. I wonder if I don't know if I want to be trading this anymore, to be honest. We just cracked underneath this key level. And you know what? If you try to short this now, guess what this market's going to do? It's going to rip your face off and get a bounce back into, obviously, the 580. And that's obviously the level I was kind of watching. That's a little bit of a pullback here, guys.
Order
filled.
Order
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I've got 10 contracts here now. 10 contracts. I'm looking for a pullback here down. My stop here is gonna be at 556. I will exit my trade at 556 area. Actually, you know what? Let's place my hard stop here, 560.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Yeah, I've got a hard stop there. Yeah, I'm not interested in getting a big pierce through bounce. Maybe get that, then I'm in trouble. So I just want to make sure I'm kind of protected. I kind of like that a pullback idea for now. We kind of broke underneath that important trend line. But of course, again, like this market has been choppiest thing you could ever get. So I may get stopped out and maybe eventually kind of pull back here, right? Anything can happen right now. Even though I kind of feel like we have some more juice to the downside, but again, look, it's getting a bounce now. Fuck me. Oh my god, it's like a freaking annoying, guys. Let's just try to play this 1 second, guys. 1 minute.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
this has been definitely the most annoying price action so far today, guys. Man, it's been tough. I'm gonna have to try and stick to my trade 545. Let's see if we get a rejection again at the CMA support resistance, or we just pierce through and get a bounce back up again. I don't know. Oh my god, man, look at that, guys. Ugh. Come on. Look at the move is like 20-30 points in a single candle. That's 20 points. Yeah, the 20 points single candle. Yeah. Well, yeah, this chop is real. We just can't get a fall through.
Order
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted.
Like, give me that follow through, guys. Oh my god. Exit that trade.
Order
Oh
filled.
my god. Can somebody stop this market? Very annoying. Oh my god. Now it's getting that move. Ah! Guys, man, this is what I was looking for. My god, man, this chop is just driving you nuts, man. Oh my god. Anyways, let's get this giveaway going, guys. And thank you guys for being patient with me here today. 1 second, guys, I'm setting it up now. We'll do our giveaway and we'll get it going. One minute, guys. 1 minute. Are you hold on 1 second, guys. Somebody's shorting gold right now. Hold on 1 second. Jeez, man. I don't know, man. How can the heck you short gold? Anyways, guys, I'm gonna give you 1 more minute to get the entries in, man. Come on, guys. I gave you all day to enter, and as soon as I close the entries, All right, guys, I'm gonna give you 1 more minute to enter. Re-enter anybody who's not got a ticket. I'm gonna give you guys 1 more minute. That's it. Wow, look at the silver, man. Silver making a 5-minute contracts to the downside, man. Wow. Well, it looks like we are getting a pullback here in gold, but pretty crazy how, like, how do you have the I don't have the you know, I don't have the B to kind of short right at this level too, so I don't know. Oh, who is this handsome little gentleman here, guys? Is that me? Huh? Who is this, everybody? Come on. Was that serious? Was that serious? Somebody tried to make fun of me, man. All right. Stop. Stop. All right. Anyways. Yeah. Anyways, where are we? Where are we? Where is this market? All right, guys. Market pulling back here. What a nasty, man. Just keep in mind, guys. This is a pullback. That's literally about wow, what a big range here. What a nasty that's easy 80 points. Right? 80 points. Anyways, all right, guys, I'm just about to close the entry now. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are part of this giveaway. Too bad I lost 1 account. That's I lost the funded account. Too bad, too bad. It kind of sucks, but you know, oh well. I know, Alfred, man. Well, I like that picture. Don't get me wrong. I like that picture. Yeah. I didn't realize I was that serious. Like a hot eye. Looking at this chart, I was like, oh, just give me that little bounce so I can exit my trade. Anyways, well. Yeah, I didn't realize I was that serious, man, by the way. Well, thanks for that picture, though. I gotta stay a little further away from the camera, though, right? I think I'm a little bit too close up on that picture. So I'm gonna try to stay a little further away from the camera. So, oh man, look at this pullback, guys. Eventually we are pulling back down, and that's exactly what I was kind of looking for. But I mean, I don't know, man. Too bad I did not catch that entire move. Anyways, 1 of the accounts gone, and of course I'm up on the other stuff, but it's okay. I mean, you know, you guys know, I don't know if you guys seen that, I've got some big payouts coming out. I mean, that's the thing, right? It doesn't feel good losing accounts, by the way, don't get me wrong, but Dude 45 taking $500 on his Funding Futures Network account, which is great. Trading gold. Dude 45 is one of the traders. Again, he's one of my fellow Korean trader, but he's only trading gold now. Interesting how he does so well with it. Incredible. But you know, I shared my P&L, but look at this, guys, man. There's somebody here who's taking this huge payout. $67,000. I can't remember exactly who this person was, but TPT Dude 45 trying to pass. I think it's pretty close to passing that account, which is great. I'd love to see Dude 45 get to the Take Profit Trader Pro account pretty quickly here. We got Scapster taking, wow, man, look at this, $1,000 a day today, and this is on a pro account too. Incredible, guys, incredible. And this is me here, and this account I've got a little less than $6,000 of profit, so I'm gonna be taking a huge payout on this tomorrow. Probably tomorrow afternoon, or maybe the very next day. But I've got something big coming in. I'm looking for that a nice little $5,000 to $6,000 of payout on the funding ticks, which is great. Like I said again, getting pretty close to 30,000, pretty much guaranteed at this point. So I'm not overly too concerned. As much as I hate losing accounts, I'm one of those traders I hate losing accounts, by the way. I really hate, like, every time I lose, I get a bit of a mental breakdown. But you know what? On a good note, we got some real big payouts coming, right? So I'm grateful. I'm content. You know, it is what it is. The market is tough, man. I don't know why. I don't know what you guys think, but I think this market is really hard to trade. More so, I am finding it more difficult to trade during Globex Asia lately than New York. Very, very difficult to trade Globex Asia. I don't know. I just find it very difficult to trade. And I know a lot of you guys are kind of like stepping away from trading a Globex Asia because it's just too tricky and, you know, confusing market, if you will. So, I mean, honestly, I've tried to downsize, right? But, you know, the most I've been, it was 10 to 20 micros at most. And even then, it's like it's getting cooked. So it's not easy. I mean, lucky I'm not copy trading, I guess that's what it is. But yeah, so I've already taken $22,000 a payout. We've got another $8,000. You guys know I've taken $2,700 from TopStep just today during the stream itself, and I've got another $5,000 coming in from funding ticks. So 5,000 plus a little less than $3,000 from TopStep puts me a little less than 8,000 for this week alone. So that puts me over $30,000, and we still have another 12 days to go. So I think looking good so far, right? I'm not gonna complain. I'm really not gonna complain because I think it's pretty good deal, right? I should be proud of myself with you know, I'm gonna make mistakes, right? But at the end of the day, just looking at from the bigger story, right? I think I've done what I really have to do, right? You know, like I've achieved my goals, my targets, and all the game plans kind of worked out pretty nicely here so far. Coming into the November, I told you guys I want to get to $35,000. Let's try to level up on the payouts. And I thought it was going to be difficult at first, and we are already at 30K. We just need $5,000 more to get to over 35, right? So I think it's very much doable. Anyways, guys, let's get back to the giveaway, guys. Let's get back to giveaway. Call Bob. Wait before you go get another coffee. All right, the giveaway is just about to start, guys. I thank you guys once again for being patient, and I hope you guys are not gonna type in !Tiger ever again after me closing the entries. All right, I'm not gonna look at the chat anymore. All right, guys, I closed the entries now. All right, good luck, everybody. I am going to call out the winner now. You got 3 minutes to claim your victory. Good luck, everybody. I am picking the winner now. Let's go. Piano Trader. Oh my God, Piano Trader sounds very familiar, by the way. Piano Trader, I hope you are here, brother. I hope you are here. Piano Trader. Piano Trader. Are you here? Please tell me you are here. All right, guys, I'm starting the timer. 3 minutes, guys. He went to play piano, guys. I got 3 minutes, Piano Trader, to claim your price. Piano Trader is here, guys. Oh my God. Everybody was like, oh, I think Piano Trader is gone. He's not here anymore. Somehow, magically, Piano Trader had to be here, which is great. Congrats, man. Congrats, Piano Trader. You deserve You deserve. The winner goes to Piano. Mike.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Can you guys hear me? Mike. 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 Oh my God. All right, guys, man, what a wild day, man. What a wild day. I better stay away from my computer today, guys, for the rest of the night. I better do that right here, or else I'm gonna get cooked even more. So nothing's kind of working out. Not even my mic today. My mic's not working. My trade's not working. Nothing's working, guys. And a lot of funky stuff, right? What a funky stuff. I got a lot of fake out today. I don't know, man. I made a lot of mistakes. And the market's definitely not forgiving today. Big volatility. Anytime you get into the wrong side of the trade, whether that's by an error or not, doesn't really matter. You get cooked, and unfortunately, that's what he got today. So, and I kind of missed out on that moves, though, right? This market is really tricky to kind of trade. Anyways, guys, oh well, it is what it is. Too bad. I'm pissed, but nothing much you can do, guys. Whew, man. Then Amon's got that long from 24,550. Where's 24,550, guys? 24,550. You caught that move, like that 60, 70 points move to the upside, man. Wow. Oh my god, guys, we are getting a bounce in this market. Now we're back in green. All that move that we had was just a little bit of a noise to get this market back up again today. Incredible, guys. Incredible. I'm pissed. Golden Paquito, none of the no. So the funding ticks 0. Oh, by the way, 1 second, guys, 1 second. I never traded the 0 account, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Let me just take a look and see. I think that's a funded account. I think, if I'm not wrong, I think that's a funded account. That's straight to funded account. Is it? I think so. Yeah. I mean, it's really pricey though. It's really pricey. Well, 399 on a 50K account. I don't know, man. Way too expensive. Oh, by the way, so Piano Trader, are you here right here? Are you right here, right here? Are you here right now? Can you let me know? You are right here. All right, so Piano Trader, I'm gonna have to have you DM me. DM me, and then what else? Yeah, just DM me once the streaming is over, and I'll go ahead and take care of your Funded Futures Network account. Not a bit of a rough afternoon, if you will. I couldn't get access to the firm's website either today, the whole day. Weird. And on top of that, I got a lot of fakes here tonight as well. So interesting day. I think this is the kind of a moment where you have to be a little careful in whatever you try to do. Is Apex back up and running? I don't think so. I tried getting into Apex account a while ago and I couldn't do that. So I don't know. I think they're still down. And they're still down. Yeah, Top Step just approved my risk approved, so I guess my payout's gonna be in the next day or two. And then what else is there? Yeah, I made some really strong profits on some of my funded features. Sorry, not funded features. Funding ticks, funded accounts. Yeah, man, I've got like $6,500 on one of my funded account that I will be taking a big payout, right? And then I think I just need one more day to trade, and that's where I'm gonna get a big payout there. It's gonna be really nice. It's gonna be really juicy. Absolutely, yeah. So I think today's what? Today's Tuesday. I will be able to request the payout on Thursday morning, right? That's what it is. Thursday morning. Right. So here we are, guys. 1 second. Yeah, it's a bit frustrating, but it's okay, guys. Man, it's just part of the process, right? That's nothing much you can do. You know, it's a mistake I've done. Well, you gotta move on, right? You gotta move on. And by the way, 1 second, guys. Somebody, is that me? Holy man, are you kidding me? Is that StockTiger? No, this can't be real. I thought it was me at first. I was like, what? I was definitely not in that Porsche. Definitely not me. It's a Honda Ridgeliner, guys. 2008 model. That's like my Lamborghini. And that's the best thing you can ever get. I don't need no Porsche. I don't need that. Yeah. I prefer my truck. My little truck here. But thanks for that picture though. I like it. I like it. I like it. Oh, you picked up a Honda Pilot? Really? What year? That's a pretty good car. It's yeah, Honda Pilot is a really good car too. Yeah, for sure. Bro has too many cars, he's forgotten. I hear you talk about fighting on occasion. What's your fighting style, ground? Who's fighting on ground? That's not me for sure. RSQ8, nice man. Surge Watt. That's a great car too. Audi, yeah. Bowser driving a CRV. CRV is a good car too. Alright, man. A lot of you guys are driving Honda. Alright, guys. We are getting a pullback here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna place my hard stop. I entered a trade, guys. Maybe I don't know if this is the right thing to do, but
order submitted.
I'm looking for that little pullback here back into the 560s. Oh my god, look at that mochaccino. I think we get a pullback just like how we got a pullback here. I've got 4 contracts only, so nothing really too crazy. I'm just looking for that another leg here. Let's see. I am holding on to this trade now. Maybe I'll add one more or two.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, if you guys caught that move to the upside 20 minutes ago, great job, guys. You guys definitely done a great job. Yeah. Nothing seems to be going my way today. Absolutely. Right from the start. Yeah, yeah, right from the start. So we are sitting at 595. We'll see if we can actually get a little pullback down. It looks like we're kind of holding that support here at 586. Yeah, I'm still looking for that pullback here, at least into the 570. Oh my god, guys, man, incredible.
Order filled.
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 My average entry 594. We're sitting at 604 now. So you gotta, if you pierce through and try to push back up again, I will exit my trade, of course. I'm really looking for a pullback here into the 540s, but I don't know. We'll see, guys. Maybe maybe it happens, maybe not. It is just so difficult to trade today. I don't know why, man. I don't know if you guys are having a hard time trying to trade this market today. It's not easy. Definitely not an easy market.
Order submitted.
But of course, I'm gonna try my level best to get something out of this, guys. Let's see if we get a pullback here now.
Order filled.
Order filled.
So far, it's kind of respecting that trend line. Oh man, it's really having a hard time. I don't know why. It's me when I enter, it kind of stalls, right? That's what we've been getting so far. So. We'll see. Let's see if I'm right this time around. I'm really looking for that push down. Oh my god. I'm just, yeah. I'll exit this trade, guys.
Order filled.
Screw this.
Order
I'm not
filled.
interested in trying to get squeezed that again. I might as well just stop here before I start to get into a red trade, right? So far, I'm kind of break even on this account, so. Yeah, pretty interesting price action so far. It looks like we probably have a bounce, but we could also get a pullback here, right? I don't know. It's gonna be hard for me to trade, and this price action for sure. Yeah, you might try long for the VWAP. Black Mamba trader, how's it going, man? How's your day going? I haven't heard you in a while. How's everything okay? Black Mamba? Edgar, NQ is effing kicking nuts. Yeah, it's definitely not an easy. I don't know if it's just me having a little bit of a hard time trading NQ Globex Asia. See, I mean, I keep missing on that moose, number one, and there's too many fakes as well, and there's no follow through. And by the time you kind of out of your trade, it starts to make a big move after that, after the fact that you're out of your trade. So look, that's the pullback I was looking for. I'm fortunate, guys. I'm fortunate, man. I missed a lot of the good trades. Lemizor, is Asia usually have this volatility? Much less, yeah, much less. Much less. Usually it's like 20 points, 30 points at most. Right now it's like easily 80 points, 100 points move up and down, so it's like really hard to trade. Oh, I wasn't looking at the chat. Yeah, I mean, there's too many random chats going up and down, so I cannot read. Sorry about that, Black Mamba. My apologies. You took a long right under the VWAP. Yeah, I did. Hopefully you're loading up on gold. I don't know. NKD's up. Little hard to trade NQ to come down. You're happy with 2111 CRV Bowser trade? Yeah, it's a great card, by the way. Target, have you taken any payouts with PDS? No, I've not taken any payouts. 7 War Man. I've never taken payouts with PDS, unfortunately. I did trade their cheapo $8 accounts before, but that's pretty much it, right? And I ended up blowing all of those the $8 accounts with $500 drawdown. Those are all gone, so that's it. You know, yeah, I didn't really trade anything else beyond that, so no payouts for me on PDS. I would love to kind of try to get back into PDS world, but just got too many stuff going on right now, right? So it's hard for me to keep adding accounts and keep adding firms, right? It's already a bit overwhelming, if you will, right now with the existing ones. So I'm gonna have to find a better way to trade all these accounts, because I've got I may have to copy trade as well, so we'll see how that goes. Dan Amons, every time you go back to Discord, it's just flooded with Dr. Finn's random charts. There's no random clicking button specifically in this market. Yeah. Oh, you're from Australia? Yeah, it's a beautiful country, man. You're at a really nice place. New York is too far, too late for you. Yeah, it's at late night, right? You got the same time as Korea. Australia and Korea time is the same, right? You got a sub and like. Thanks, man. Lamizar, thank you so much, brother. Oh man, I'm definitely a little exhausted trading this price today. I'll be very honest. We got a lot of Europeans. We got a lot of friends from Asia, Australia, Japan, Indonesia. Yeah, it's great. What an international community we live in. I'm very fortunate to have all of you here every day with us, trading together. Yeah, thank you guys for being here all the time, guys. Yeah, so here I don't have the energy to try to step into any more further trades because this market has been a bit difficult, right? And I've been making too many mistakes today, so yeah, probably better off just kind of like walk away and get a little rest here tonight and get ready for tomorrow, I guess. Yeah, no energy even to YOLO anymore, Ben Amons. I wish I had the energy right now. Black Mamba, Tiger, you're down for the day, thinking to call it. Yeah, I think that's probably a good idea. Well, guys, man, I thank you guys for being here today. It was a lot of fun. I could have definitely done a better job. I don't know what happened. A couple errors turned out to be. It usually starts with an error, and then all of a sudden things start to go pretty bad after that. Anyways, it is what it is. I got a lot of fakes, you know, too. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade anymore tonight, but I thank you guys for being here today. It was a lot of fun, guys. Thank you so much once again. Piano Trader, congrats. Congrats for winning the Funded Futures Network. We'll do a big account giveaway tomorrow, guys. We'll do a 150k account tomorrow on Take Profit Trader. It's a big day. Love to see you guys back tomorrow during the Globex Asia at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time, guys. Do not forget. Let's have some fun. I hope all of you have a great day tomorrow. Be safe. God bless everybody, you and your family. Take care of yourself, guys. Have a great rest of the night. And thank you once again for being here. Don't forget to smack the like, guys, before you hop out. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. Have a great night. Peace.